Lynette Kessler here with a new video tutorial, and today we are with Paper Perk number 12. Today we're going to make two types of pocket pages in our junk journal. I'm going to cut this. You know what? Let's cut it together because it's pretty fast. So again, I'm printing this on an A4 paper. Yours is going to look a little different if you print it on 8.5 by 11. Let's just sort it out in a second. So I like to cut all the straight line with a trimmer. Of course, you can use a craft knife and a ruler. Now what I want to do after I cut this is to cut it in half. So it's an 11 size paper. So what we need to do is cut it around 5.5 or so. Okay, they're not exactly identical, but that's fine. So what I want to do is show you two ways to make pocket pages. So the first one is, I want to find a page that doesn't have anything in the center. Just want to, okay, this is good. So first, this is very easy. I'm just going to fold this in half. And of course, I'm going to fold this in half too, or I can just cut it because I want to have diagonal pockets. Now the secret is just decide how you want the first one to be. Doesn't matter the angle, it doesn't matter how deep you want it, it's up to you. And then you cut. Now you use this piece as a template for the other side to ensure that you cut exactly the same. So I align it with my blade and then cut. So now I have two identical pockets. I'm going to ink the edges. Really like this pattern. It's nice and floral, but has a little bit of an autumn feel to it because of the oranges. And then we're going to reverse it because now we're going to apply glue only to the center and the bottom. So we can insert, we can also, if the page was smaller, you would have to apply glue here as well. But this is kind of a large journal, you get the idea. So I don't want, and when you glue something on the center of a page, always fold it like this to make sure that it's glued in the center where the fold actually is, not when you think where it is. So now, let's say this is one of our inserts. So we have a pocket page. So next, let's make another one. If we'll find another signature or another, okay, this one's pretty cool. So this one, I'm going to fold it in half. But this one is going to be like this. So, if I want to attach this, this is not going to be really very comfortable, because if you create an opening here, then the angle of the paper will be a little bit too hard to insert. So what we'll do is cut this in half and create two separate pockets. Then it's cut them together diagonally. And again, always ink the edges. At least I do. I always think it looks much prettier this way. Has a border, has a definition, but that's just me. So this time we're going to put it in the corners. So again, we want glue here and here, because we're making a pocket, right? So one will go on this side. We align it with the top and the bottom of the page. And then on this one, again, the other sides, corresponding sides, always the longest straight sides. And again, you can insert a lot of things. The pockets are really big. Nothing interferes with the insertion of anything that you want. So I really hope you like this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video, so you won't miss anything and you'll be able to make all the projects. And go to the Paper Perk Facebook group. There is a link in the description under the video to download this printable and all the others. Again, this is the Paper Perk Facebook group. There is a link in the description under the video. Thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you next time.